So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Registry Editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, and then you want to expand software, and then you want to expand policies, and then you want to expand Microsoft, and then you want to expand Windows. So expand Windows. But now, once we're here, you want to right click on the Windows folder, so right click on Windows, and then click on New, and then click on Key. Now we're going to rename this as Personalization. So spell it the exact same way how I'm going to. Use the same capitals and lowercase and everything. And then click on Enter once you do that. And now you want to head over into this folder. And now once you're in this folder, you want to right click on the blank space, click on New, and then click on DWORD for 32-bit value. And now you want to name this new value as No Lock Screen. Spell it the exact same way how I did, with the same capitals and lowercase with no space, and then click on. And now you want to double click on No Lock Screen. And now if you want to disable the lock screen, you want to put in the value data 1. So again, if you want to disable the lock screen, so you want to remove it, in the value data, you want to put in 1, and then click on OK. And now if you want to enable the lock screen, you want to double click on No Lock Screen, and then change it to 0. So again, if you want to enable the lock screen, so you want the lock screen, make the value to 0, and then click on OK. And then once you've selected what you want to restart your computer, and then that's how you do it.